We'll start with the basics of the Coxmate GPS. To turn the unit on, we hold the button on the side in for about a second, and then it starts up. It'll take a couple of seconds, and then it will display a number of tiles, and the one we're interested in is the Coxmate one. So we press on that one, touch it, is touchscreen, and it'll take us into our Coxmate application. Now the default here is we see rating and speed. The top is rating and the bottom is speed. There are a number of other display options you can have. If we just go through the options quickly, each time we press the button at the bottom it'll step on. So the next option is 2+2, and we'll talk about that a little bit more in a moment. The next option is a 5 variable display, which is configurable. Then we have a recall function, so we can recall any of the records in the unit. After that we have a mode select, so we can go to mode in workout or run, and we can also go to the navigation assist. And finally there's setup, where we can set up the units, the display, there's auto stop, we can sensitivity of the stroke detection, there's averaging, and we can change the display color. If we press the bottom button we'll go back to the start. So here we've got rating and speed. If we move the unit, we'll generate some rating. Okay, so there we've got a somewhat interesting number of 55. If we go to the 2+2 display, then what will happen is at the bottom it displays the status, and it's telling us at the moment it's ready. If we touch the screen, it will then go to set. From there we can either press the screen, or from the next stroke it will go into run. Thereafter it will alternate the display between rating and speed and time and distance. So there's rating and speed, and we give it another time, and there's time and distance. The next display we had a brief look at before is the 5 variable display. Now in this one we've got rating, speed, distance, time, and distance per stroke. We will have a quick look at how we configure that display. So we go to setup, and then I'll use a pen so they don't distract the display so much. We touch display, and then we choose the segment that we want to change. So here we've got distance per stroke. Supposing we want average speed, we select average speed, save. Okay, and now we just press the button until we get back to that 5 variable display, and down the bottom we'll see that it's average speed. That's how simple it is to use the unit.